dear esteemed candidates, as you are preparing to sit the 2023 UTME, please take note of the following instructions on how you are to conduct yourselves for the examination. Print your slip before the examination day to avoid technical hitch. You are encouraged to print your slip at least 48 hours before the examination day. This will specify the examination venue, date, time, and session to avoid unnecessary stress that may lead to missing your examination center or session. Be at the center at least an hour to the examination. Present yourself for physical screening at the entrance of the CBT center by the security agents. Ensure you do not carry any prohibited items like wristwatches, pens, biros, Bluetooth devices, mobile phones or similar electronic devices, spy or fashion glasses, calculators or similar electronic devices, USBs, CDs, hard disks, and or similar storage devices, books or any reading or writing materials. Also, cameras, recorders, microphones, earpieces, inks, pen readers, smart lenses, smart rings, jewelry, smart buttons, key holders, ATM cards, erasers, bangles, rings, necklaces, wallets, or purses. Visit the board's website www.jamb.gov.ng for the full list of prohibited items. You are only allowed to enter the examination hall with a copy of your examination slip and a pencil. Once you have been screened by the security agents at the gate, move to the holding area and wait to be biometrically verified at the BVR point before you are admitted into the examination hall. At the biometric verification screening point, verify your fingerprints. Please note that only candidates who have been successfully verified by the biometric verification machine will be able to log in for the examination. Any form of cosmetic application, that is, henna, tattoo, long nails, on your fingers prior to the examination can alter your fingerprints, thereby making it unreadable by the biometric verification machine. Once verified, move into the examination hall, locate your seat number, as all seats have been distinctively marked, and then settle down. Once you have identified your sitting position, settle down and wait for the next instruction. You will be instructed by the officials to log in. Carefully key in your registration number as seen on your e-slip. Once logged in, the examination instructions to candidates will be displayed on the screen. On the screen will be your picture and the instruction on the 9 keys plus 2 examination pack you will be using during the examination. Ensure that the picture of the candidate on the screen is yours. If it's not yours, call the attention of the examination official immediately by raising your hand. Read all the instructions on the screen before commencing the examination. This is also part of the examination, and failure to follow the instruction will be detrimental to your performance. Letters A, B, C, or D are for the answers to questions. Other letters are P, N, S, R, and Y. Please note, to go back to previous question, press P. For the next question, press N. To submit when you have finished the examination, press S. If you do not intend to go further to submit, press R and press Y to confirm your submission. Up and down arrow keys are for scrolling where applicable. Please note that no candidate will be able to log in 1 hour after the examination has been activated. Once you have been instructed by the official to start the examination, simply click on the Start button to commence. You are not allowed to spend less than 1 hour during the examination. The End Exam button will not be displayed until an hour into the examination. Dear esteemed candidates, if you are wearing any pair of glasses, they will be thoroughly scrutinized. If you are facing any technical challenges, quietly raise your hand and a proctor will attend to you. Do not talk to anyone once the examination has started. Once you have successfully submitted your examination, quietly leave the examination hall. Do not listen to anyone who claims to have access to any means of upgrading results. You will only be swindled and the long arm of the law will get to you. Do not give your e-slip, that is, registration or examination slip, to any examination official before, during, or after the examination. Now, important notice for all candidates. If there is any delay for up to 1 hour during any session at any center, that particular examination stands cancelled and will be rescheduled. All candidates in that session will be rescheduled. When for any reason examination is cancelled or cannot hold, then be calm. You lose nothing. Be sure you'll be writing your examination later and most likely on that same date. Quietly leave the hall. Move to the holding area to wait the instruction. Do not leave the center until you have been notified of your rescheduled exam. But note, the rescheduled examination is not for candidates that have already been marked late or absent for that session. Let me, on behalf of the Registrar, Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, Professor Ishaq Oloide, COM, wish you great success in your examination. Thank you.